In this short tutorial, I will show you how to pin a message on your Android device. Pinning a conversation allows you to keep important messages at the top of your messaging app for quick access. It's a handy feature that helps you stay organized and keep track of important discussions. To get started, open up the Messages app. And then tap and hold the message that you want to pin. And then simply tap on the pin button at the top. Now that message is pinned to the top of the message list. If you want to unpin a message, just tap and hold the pinned message. And then tap on this button at the top. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.